Hello, my friend. Today we talk about love, a story about summer, friendship, and feelings. Imagine this. A girl and a boy meet in summer. They are both on holiday. The sun is warm, the sky is blue, the sea is shining. The beach is full of people, children playing, music in the air. The girl walks along the beach. She sees a boy picking shells. He looks happy. He looks friendly. She smiles at him. He smiles back. At first, they just say hello. Simple, friendly, easy. Then they talk about the sea. The sea is beautiful today. Yes, very beautiful. They walk together. They talk about summer, about the beach, about the sun. They laugh. They enjoy small things. They share stories about their life. They learn each other's name. She is called Lily. He is called Alex. Over the next days, they meet every morning. They swim in the sea. They eat ice cream. They play games. They take pictures. They share snacks. They talk about music. They talk about movies. They talk about dreams. They like the same things. They enjoy the same activities. They feel happy together. They feel connected. Sometimes they feel shy. Sometimes they feel nervous. Sometimes their hearts beat fast, but they laugh and feel good. Every day they look forward to seeing each other. They walk on the sand at sunset. The sky is orange. The waves are soft. He says, "Lily, I like spending time with you." She smiles and says, "I like spending time with you too." Simple words, but full of meaning. They explore the town together. They try new foods. They see small shops. They talk to locals. They ride bikes along the coast. They watch the sunset from a hill. They take many photos. Every small moment feels special. They share feelings. They share thoughts. They enjoy being together. After a few weeks, the summer holiday ends. They feel sad. They know they live far apart, but they feel love. They promise to keep in touch. They promise to meet again. They write letters. They send messages. They call each other. They share photos. They share stories about their daily life. The love grows slowly. They learn patience. They learn understanding. They learn care. Even though distance is hard, their hearts are close. Every message, every call, every photo makes them smile. 1 year later, they meet again. They travel together. They celebrate special days. They enjoy music festivals. They try new restaurants. They laugh and have fun. Their love feels stronger. They talk about the future. They talk about dreams. They talk about living in the same city. They talk about supporting each other. They talk about happiness. So, my friend, this is a story about love. A summer love that grows into something bigger. A love that starts with simple words. Hello, how are you? The sea is beautiful. A love that grows with laughter, small adventures, shared dreams, and patience. Love can start anywhere. Love can start with a smile. Love can start in summer, in the city, in a park, or by the sea. Remember, my friend, love is simple. Love is patient. Love is kind. Love grows with small moments. Love grows with care. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time. And remember, open your heart, enjoy small moments, and love grows naturally.